We got our stove. Have to steal the pot to steam the rice, right? Right. So let's show you what the pots are looking like so I can wash them. They're back. They're sisters. They're the same color. It dents up. They're peeled. Yay! So we have a 2 pound. We got a refrigerator. It's good. That looks really good. 2 pounds of sisters. Everything is content. It's called crushed candy cane, foot scrub, and heel repair stick. So this is how it's looking. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, so guess what we got? We got a refrigerator. We got our table. This is such a cute rattan type chair and table, brown and black. I don't know if you guys seen it good right now. And guess what? Don't mind all that garbage. We got our stove. We have stove, but we don't have no grocery. So the stove, my mommy did don't give me one hour drum now because she have an extra drum about my dad and the hose. So we have our stove. We have stove now. This is how the table is looking. I don't know why the light is doing that. But refrigerator, that was my desk that I brought up from home. We have this. The light is being weird. I don't know why, but I'll show you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, I know I look kind of homeless. I look slightly homeless. Do not. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I look slightly homeless. I'm going to wash my hair today. I'm going to comb it today. But first, I'm trying to clean up my spot. I was here making up my bed and I was like, I could be videoing this because everything is a vlog. Everything is content. So anyways, I'm going to set you up so you can watch me while I make up my bed. I was actually here listening. So I was actually here. I know my hair wants home. I know my hair wants to be combed. I'm planning to do that today. But I was actually here listening to a YouTuber. So I'm going to probably continue doing that. And you guys can watch me get ready. So I sprayed my bed already. With some Lysol. I have Febreze, but the spray part got damaged. A headboard. I don't have a headboard. For my home, in my room back home, I have one made out of wood and it was expensive. So baby girl, I am going to get like one of the cheaper ones from like, I was going to get a headboard. Probably a material one. Probably one of those fabric type ones, maybe. Let's see. I don't want any that is not made from real wood because then you're going to have to trouble with termites and stuff like that. How's the quality? How's the quality? I look kind of dark from over there. Let me bring you over here. But yeah, if you don't get one made from proper wood, I'll have to trouble with termites, and I don't want to be troubling with termites. So, oh, this pillowcase is long. Let's put this on now. Here's what we got on Friday. Hello! We have a refrigerator. The space over here, I will say, is a bit tight. Definitely say the space is a bit tight. I know I look homeless, don't mind that. But we got a refrigerator. Yeah, our refrigerator is a black point. We got a refrigerator. We got a stove. Yes, we're going black points again. We got a stove, but the space, and this is a gym right here. I bring it from home. The space make it very tight, very, very tight over this side. The refrigerator originally was putting it over there, but it just would be a sore eye to like the living area. So I put it over here, and now it's a bit tight. Anyways, this needs to go inside the garbage. This is the Febreze I want to spray on my bed, but the nozzle part got damaged, so I want to change the bottle. So I can't spray it on my bed yet. This is a cutie table that we got. I'm going to be wiping it down today. So you're going to come outside to see that. I need to wipe it down and clean it up. My desk over here, of course. Yeah. But anyways, I'll get back around. My laundry, my tissue, and stuff like that. We're back. We need to wipe up over there. I think I'm gonna do that when I get back, because I need to go and get some food next week or so. But I haven't bought any groceries yet. I haven't plugged in the refrigerator yet. So that's something that we need to do. But that's not on the agenda today. Today, we need to wipe down that shelf. We need to wash my hair and wipe off the table. So I'm going to be doing that now. So let's get to it. Let's turn off this light. All the chairs coming out. They're all wrapped up, so I need to remove the plastic. But they're so cute. They're made of rattan. They're brown and black. So I need to wipe them off real quick. Let them dry while I go and get something to eat. I have some wipes. I'll talk to you later. I'm going to get some food, take a nice picture of the set outside because it's really cute, and then go and get myself together and get some food, and then come back and clean up that shelf. Hi guys, I know I kind of look slightly homeless. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I will never get tired of saying that. Yes, my hair is looking a bit homeless right now, but do not mind that. We're going to get ready. We're going to get looking cute in a few days. Yes, I'm in a robe because when I come home, I don't know if it was just my house all alone, but when you come home off the road from outside, my daddy always said that you have to cool off and relax a bit before you go and take a shower. So this is me cooling off, but I don't want to stay in my work clothes, so I put on my little robe, cooling off. Anyways, they had some deals going on where I'm staying, where I'm living in Ocho, where I'm living in Jamaica. Right across Jamaica, Rainforest Seafood has a deal going on, right? And I am making use of the deal. Yes, for two, and it can last me a little bit of time. So let's get into what we bought from Rainforest Seafood. So I have a special going on where you can get fish, shrimp, pork or beef, French fries, corn, and something else. Anyways, I bought it. Oh, I also got some water to drink as well. So we have some water. I also bought a bun separate and a part and a duplex. So I have that. But here's the real bag, the goodie bag. So let's get into what they have in the special, in the deal. Right, let me show you real quick. But let me check my audio. Okay. So the audio is all good. So let's get into what we got in the bag, right? Let's get into what came in the package so we can put it in the freezer. So we got, they're peeled. Yay! So we have a 2-pound shell, or the shell on. So we have a 2-pound shrimp. 2-pound shrimp. The shell is still on though. But it says easy peel, and this is 41 to 50 pieces in it. It's supposed to be a 2-pound, right? So we have that. We got 2 pounds, I think 2 pounds of sliced snapper, and it's like basically 4 pieces. Wow, these are big and pretty and pink. Focus. They're really nice. They're very pink and look very fresh, and they're big. Look at that, that's a big piece. Hopefully you guys can see it. And we get a pound, I think it's a pound of strawberries, berries. A strawberry, like blueberry, yeah, raspberry is in it, a pound of berries. We got a bag of French fries, straight cut French fries. Focus. And we got 3 corns on a cob. Focus, 3 corns, not on a cob, but 3 corns. It looks like 1 corn, and I just cut it up in 3. And we got 2 pounds of stew beef, like stew beef, yeah, stew beef. Yeah, some big fatty piece in there though, but it looks good. It looks really good. 2 pounds of beef, and then we're going to put that in the freezer. My freezer is empty. Don't mind that. But bam. Big and the corn can go on the floor. Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, so we kind of have a little bit of good lighting right now. I took a quick shower. And I run out. Let me show you this. It's sitting kind of look chaotic. Alright, so we have a laptop right there so we can watch show. We have, because where I'm at, so I can come up. Alright, where I'm at right now, at my apartment, I do not have a foot spa, but at my mommy's place we have a foot spa. And I believe I was the one who even bought it for her for a birthday, like some birthday some time ago. You will see me doing her pedicure in one of these videos, in one of these vlogs. But up here I don't have a foot spa, so I'm going to be using a bucket. I put some cold water in it. Ooh, it's kind of warm. And I put some hot water in it, so we have a bucket. This bucket is coming with me from Westwood days. From Westwood, I have this bucket. I have some socks that I'm gonna put on when I'm doing the scrub. This is how the scrub thingy looks. Focus. Yeah, it kind of look Valentine's-ish. I really like that. I don't know why something stick me in that. Yeah, I don't know. But anyways, this is how the scrub is looking, right? I should I bring some room temperature water as well for wash off the foot after? Yeah. No, it's fine. I just took a shower. I'm going to damp my feet in it, rub it up, and then after when I'm ready, wash them off. So it's called Crushed Candy Cane Foot Scrub and Heel Repair Stick. So this is how it's looking. Alright, let's see. Oh, I wanted to do something for TikTok as well, but I keep on saying I'm running out of space. Pull it out and see what it's looking like. Come on, alright, you know, come on. Like that. How am I coming up? I hope I'm clear. Let's bring you out. Ooh. Alright, let's just see right there. Alright, this is how the scrub. This is a scrub. Focus. So this is a scrub. And then we have a heel repair. And this will get rub on after you scrub it, I believe. Focus, yeah. The heel repair. Alright, so let's try this. So first we're going to damp our feet. Oh, this is sticky. That's sticky. Alright, first we're going to damp our feet. So let's try. So first step, damp our feet. Eee, that's warm. Alright, so we damp our feet. Let them rest a little in the water. This is how the scrub is looking. Crushed candy. Really tired. Okay, so let's bend you guys over so you guys can see me damping my feet. Feet in. Alright. Alright. Now, oh, my oops, I'm gonna show properly. So let's put it on. Put on. Rubbing it onto my feet right now to see what can be done for my feet. I was considering like putting my foot in a socks after. I'm not really sure, but rubbing it onto my feet. Alright, I feel like one foot is done. Like one foot. This is good. My feet feel soft enough for the most part. Alright, I'm rubbing it on. Oh my god. So we have a pot. Hold on, let me see if I can get some light, some brighter light. Gummy bears. Go there. Anyways, I ordered some light. Wow, my arms are big. I'm gonna just back. I ordered some light, but this one is not doing too bad with the fluorescent. Okay, go light. Anyways, I have to show you the pots. Cause we got pots. We got pots. So let's show you what the pots are looking like so I can wash them and actually actually make some plantains right about now. Hold on, I wanted to do a video for my TikTok. Oh my god, my nail. My nail is not gonna let me cross through. Okay, there we go. Open. Open. Open, please. Okay, this is what I was looking. Alright, hold on. Push down my candles. Let me check real quick how the video is looking. It's good. So let's see. Let's see the first one. The first one that comes tumbling out. Okay, we have a cover. We have a cover, right? To be washed. Oh wow. Okay, so we have a saucepan. Saucepan. Whoa. Oh, the plastic drop in the sink. Okay, so this is a saucepan. Alright, let's press it over here. So throw those in the bin. I don't know, this is like a stuffing. Alright. Second pot. Did we get? This could never be the cooking pot. Oh, okay then. So we have a second saucepan. Can we get tea in it as well? Right, let's put you over here. Then we're supposed to have the bigger boys. Alright. The bigger boys rolling out. Alright. We have a cover coming out. Alright, so we have a empty. Alright, see that pot? Oh, this one is nice. Big, firm. A lot of times, I'm talking to the TikTokers, a lot of tight, as I was saying. A lot of times this part loosens a bit, but it comes with one big screw. So it's tight. Love that. Alright, let's just it right here. Then we have another baby one. Lovely. Alright. Then we have the big pot for the rice and peas. It's a bit lightweight, I must say that. It's a bit lightweight. But it's big. It's good size. Good size to feed me for a week. But it's a bit lightweight. Quattro. Okay, so we have the cover. Is it scratched? Does it fit? Oh, it's dented. Yeah, it dent. After my son come home, yeah, it dent open. Unless this is not for this. Nope. It's a fit. It dent up. I'm not going to freak out. Yep. It's dented. Yeah. Then I have to bring it back. I struggled with this. And that is why you save. That's why you save your receipts, because it can't lock properly. I should have checked it from a reach at the store, you know. I should have checked it from at the store. Now I have to carry it back. Huh? See that? Can't lock. It can't lock. What? They were nice though. Yeah, this is the other one. This is the frying pan. Really nice. Let's see if this can cover it. Yeah, fits. It fits perfectly. But I could tell from this one that it's a bit dented. Yeah. Can't close. Is it built so steam can't come out? But you have to seal your pot for steam your rice. You have to seal the pot. You have to seal the pot to steam the rice, right? Right, Louise? Right. So, yeah. Bringing it back. because the pot can't rock. So upset because I would really love to just fry the egg and the plantain. And instead, the pot is dented. The pot is dented, so we cannot cook in this pot. Hey guys, so it is someday, some evening somewhere. Anyways, I know my robe is giving very much mature, but I wanted to quickly show you. I got a present. So let me show you. I started to show you in the other vlog, but I'll pop it open. So let's see what's inside the box, right? Yay! So it's 2 bags. They're from Kate Spade. Alright then. Okay. This is what I was looking at. Hopefully it's clear. So this is the camera bag. Oh, they tape it up well nicely, man. Okay, let me slide this up this way. It says well taped. Oh, this is cute. Oh wait, let me see if it's showing properly. Alright, not really show properly, but it's very glittery for sure. And then you have the Kate Spade focus. Will you focus on me? Focus on me. That's a Kate Spade right here. Kate Spade, New York. And wow, it was retailing for like $300. So this is what I was thinking. This is a camera bag. Ooh, this is a strap. I see on the inside a Fermi man. Alright, so you have tags, tips, anything else on the inside, paper stuffing. Alright, so this is a Kate Spade bag. Will you focus on me? Alright, so this is a camera bag. Whoa, the strap them really bent up. It looks very cute, very glittery, very pink, very girly. Don't mind how I look right now. I soon get ice. I will get myself together shortly. But this is one, right? And that's the bag for it. And then there's another bag. And I really have much nice stuffing going on the inside. That is just like a regular box. This is the other one. Now this one is like a small tote. It's like a brother and sister bag. They're sisters. They're the same color. Wait, let me see if we can get some more light. Okay. They're like sisters. They're like the same color. So this is how it's looking. Wait. Kate Spade. Wait, I can probably pull it from the top here. Oh, they were trying to protect this bag. Oh, okay. So you can carry it like this. The Kate Spade is there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Focus on. Okay, can't really see it. But the Kate Spade is right here. It's pink. It's very glittery. Alright. Okay. This retails for $330. It has the straps. It has a long strap. It has tags to preserve glitter, wear and store with care. Oh, it's telling me how to preserve the glitter. Alright. Wear and store with care. Okay, there's stuffing. There's stuffing. Okay. Alright, so we got 2 bags. 2 bags. We got brother and sister. Sisters. Anyways, this is cute. Very cute. They're very glittery. I think I have like slightly glittery bag, and it's this Michael Kors gold bag, but I don't have anything pink and glittery. This is a bit different because it has been in storage. I really have to stretch out by these straps to get them back into formation. But yeah, let me turn on the lights in just a little bit. Turn it. It's very much glittery. Alright, okay. So anyways, that is it for the vlog. I need to go and bathe. And not the entire vlog, but this aspect of the vlog. I need to go and bathe. I have work shortly. In 14 minutes, I have a lesson to teach. I gotta go. Bye.